One of the questions which was asked to us was what are the things which would be the top priorities for HR thought leaders around the world and especially in India. So what we figured out was based on a survey which we conducted that employer brand is one of the top priorities for companies these days. Let me give you an example what exactly an employer brand means. The two brands, Pepsi and Coke, I believe these are the two biggest and the most recognized brand names today which are available in the market. So even if you ask a teenager or a little girl or a boy that do you know what brand Pepsi and brand Coke means, they would be aware about that. But the proposition that thought leaders are thinking about is that do professionals know what exactly it means to be working for these companies? Do people know what is it like to be working within my organization, within the brand Pepsi, within the brand Google, within the brand Coke, for example? So that's the thought process what actually these days companies have been prioritizing on. And the other factor what we see today, thought leaders are also making sure that the recruitment and the talent acquisition strategies around the world have to be more cost effective. So how exactly they do it with the growth of social media, I believe that's one pointer which the thought leaders around the world have been typically thinking about. The people from their organizations are networking, they are kind of connecting with different people, and that's the way they would want to kind of tap into that market and get the best resources working for their company. See, social media is a very broad spectrum term per se. There are 3-4 different aspects of social media. Let's take a few examples, like there is Twitter, there is Facebook, there is LinkedIn. All three entities have their own different ways in which they function. So when you talk about social media as a whole gamut, it's about your social presence. And if you're an organization, what does your brand strategy, what does your employer brand strategy be on social media is one of the things which comes up. And the other factor when we talk about social media as a whole circle is what's the interaction levels of your people on social media. Your people are already networking. They are connecting with different people, different organizations. There are people with whom you do business on social media. You're connected to them. You're connected with your clients. So the whole gamut of social media actually is very wide. So you can look at it from a, we call it hire, market and sell. You would like to use social media to hire best talent. You would like to use social media to market yourself, and you can look at social media to sell, or I would say advocate your products in the market. So I think if you kind of ask me 3 words that summarizes social media, it's hire, market and sell that actually comes to my mind. No, I believe it's a wonderful forum. I mean, the audience that we had today are very much in sync with what's happening around the world, and typically in the social media space, or what you talk about the technologies which are affecting organizations today. So it's wonderful to be part of this elite forum where we have thought leaders from HR industry which have come together and share their experiences and knowledge.